Once there was a handsome young man named Harry, who married a beautiful girl, Lily. It was a love marriage. Lily worked as an accounts officer in a reputed firm. She was smart, focused, and ambitious. Her best friend, Emma, worked in the same office. Harry and Lily first met in a small restaurant. Long talks turned into friendship, and friendship slowly became love. After marriage, Lily continued her job, and Harry never objected. One evening, they were having dinner at a hotel. The waiter served the menu. Just then, Harry noticed a small child, barely 1.5 years old, sitting with his parents. Harry stopped eating. His spoon rested on the plate. He looked at Lily and said softly,
"Lily, we should plan our baby. You know I love children. I want my own child."
Lily's hands tightened around the glass.
"Harry, not now,"
she replied.
"I'm not ready."
Harry stayed silent and slowly started eating again. The next day, Lily and Emma sat in the canteen, sipping coffee.
"Harry wants a baby,"
Lily said quietly. Emma frowned.
"No, Lily. Don't think about this now. Focus on your career. You can plan a baby later."
Lily took a sip of her coffee and nodded. One night, Lily sat at the dressing table, cleansing her face. Harry was lying on the bed, watching her.
"Lily,"
Harry said softly.
"have you thought about the baby?"
Lily paused and sighed.
"Harry, I can't think about a baby right now. I want to focus on my career first. Later, we can plan."
Harry's voice rose.
"So I don't matter? You don't want our family?"
Tears rolled down Lily's face.
"You don't love me. You married me just for a baby."
Harry walked out and slept in the lounge. Lily cried silently. The next morning, Harry left for the office without breakfast. Lily packed her clothes into a suitcase.
"He doesn't need me,"
she whispered, and locked the door behind her. That night, Harry came home. The house was empty.
"Lily, you left me.
He murmured.
I just wanted a family with you."
Days passed. One night, Lily came back from the office, tired. She made some spaghetti and sat down at the table. She took a small bite, but her eyes filled with tears.
"He forgot me. If he loved me, he would have called me at least."
She could barely eat a few bites. Pushing the plate away, she wiped her tears and sat there in silence. Soon, Emma got married. After her vacation, she joined the office again.
"My husband George is so caring,"
Emma smiled.
He wants a child.
Lily looked surprised.
But you said career first.
Emma laughed.
I believed that before. But after marriage, my heart changed.
That night, while going home, Lily saw a woman holding a baby in the next car. Her husband looked at them lovingly.
I want my child. I want Harry.
Lily cried. She didn't see the car coming and was hit. Harry came home and was taking off his shoes when the phone rang. He picked it up.
Hello. Is this Harry?
A voice asked.
Yes, I am.
Harry replied.
This is Officer James Miller.
The voice continued.
Your wife was in an accident. I got your number from her phone. She's at City Hospital.
Harry's heart sank. He grabbed his car keys and rushed to the hospital. He entered her room. Lily sat with a bandage on her forehead. Harry held her hand tightly.
Are you okay?
He asked softly. Lily wiped her eyes and nodded slowly. The doctor smiled.
It's a minor accident. You can take her home.
Harry paid the hospital bills and helped Lily into the car. As he started the car, Lily tried to speak.
Harry.
Harry interrupted, gently.
Lily, please, we're just going home. That's it. I won't talk about a child anymore. I just need you.
Lily wiped her tears, her lips trembling. That night, when they were on the bed, Lily held his hand.
Harry. I want a child. I want our family.
Harry looked surprised.
Are you sure? If you're thinking I'll be upset, don't worry.
Lily shook her head.
No. It's nothing like that. It's my wish.
Harry smiled and gently kissed her forehead. Tears filled his eyes.
That's all I ever wanted.
Moral. Love makes life beautiful.